Hello everyone. Here's a super easy, New York style, no-bake vegan cheesecake. That's a lot of hyphenated descriptions, but regardless, it tastes almost like the real thing. Let's get baking. For the crust, blitz the graham crackers until very fine. Check out my graham cracker video. Add the sugar. Drizzle in melted vegan butter. Mix until the mixture appears to be evenly distributed. Firmly press the graham mixture into an even layer on the bottom of a springform pan. Use a spoon to smooth it out. Let it set in the freezer while you make the filling. First, put the vegan cream cheese in a bowl. I'm using Miyoko's cream cheese, which I think tastes the best. Add the sugar and the juice of half of a lemon. Cream together. I prefer to first use a spatula to get everything combined. Then switch to a whisk to make it smooth. Add in the vegan yogurt. Whisk until as smooth as possible. If you prefer, you can blend the ingredients in a blender or a food processor to make it easier. Finally, add in the coconut cream, but use only the thick part of the cream. Whisk until everything is smooth. Pour the cheesecake filling on top of the graham cracker crust. Careful not to get it on the sides of the pan. Give it a shake to allow the top to smooth out. Place the cheesecake in the freezer for at least 6 hours to set. When the cheesecake is set, open the springform pan and pop out the cheesecake. Let it thaw out an hour before serving. While you wait, you can decorate your cheesecake in any way you'd like. I topped mine with date caramel and some almonds, but some fruit would be just as tasty too. And there you have it, a cheesecake that reminds me of being a kid in Times Square. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and please check out my other videos.